There is nothing more important than our good health. Health is indeed the biggest treasure and first step of everlasting happiness. Welcome to Murij Mangnani Hospital, Gandhidham, Kutch. We provide high quality standard care along with best in class medical services under one roof. With this super specialty hospital, we have taken the first step towards our dream of providing healthcare which is accessible and affordable to all.
I have been practicing in this town for the last 40 years and I have seen the place gradually growing, and the need of a medical facility also has increased because of the population density increasing. We as a charitable trust have been running Hariom Trust for the last 20 years. As the town has grown, the need has grown. My idea was that we should have a hospital which should cater to the people of this area, especially the middle class. I have been dealing as a trust we have been dealing more with middle class. People who would like to have best facility at affordable price, at affordable cost. And that only a trust can do. No corporate hospital can provide such care.
Located strategically at 3,000 square yards of land area and built in approximately 40,000 square feet, the hospital enjoys its connectivity to entire city and nearby areas. Dr. G.J. Khanchandani and Dr. Anju Rani are the backbones from the trustee team of the hospital. They have treated numerous of critically ill patients and have set benchmarks in their respective fields.
Let me tell you, this project, Murij Mangnani Hospital, is a brainchild of our Dr. Khanchandani. It was his efforts and his dedication. On that basis only, SRC agreed to give him this land free of charge because this was reserved for the medical purpose.
What sets us apart? It is the state-of-the-art technology, unit of experts and advanced infrastructure. State-of-the-art technology. The latest equipments are utilized throughout the hospital in order to effectively and accurately diagnose the patients. Some of the latest facilities we use are CT scan, TMT, 2D echo, pathology lab, dialysis center, and many more. Unit of experts. We have a team of brilliant and committed doctors of various medical specialities like gynecologist, physician, cardiologist, intensivist, ortho, laparoscopy and IVF specialist, physiotherapist, ENT, radiologist, general surgeon, pediatrics. Our qualified supportive staff and technicians are well trained about the medical procedures. We are extremely proud of our people. Advanced infrastructure. The central aim of our hospital is providing comfort along with good healthcare at fair value.
See, my idea behind making this multi-specialty hospital is providing those facilities which are not here in the town. See, we don't want to compete with the people who are already existing. So we don't want to duplicate the facilities also. We want to provide those things which we are lacking. Like suppose many critical patients, still we are not able to treat them properly. So we want to give that kind of ICCU which we can treat all possible critical patients. So by providing these facilities in the city, by such kind of hospitals, we can avoid the shifting of the critical patients from Adipur, Gandhidham to Rajkot and Ahmedabad, because this is very tough time for the relatives and the patients. And to provide a world-class modular OTs, one dialysis center, CT scan and trauma center.
Our infrastructure is designed according to NABH standard. There is ample of space on each floor with 3 variants of rooms available: General, Deluxe and Semi-Special. Our infrastructure includes total of 75 beds, 2 modular OTs, 1 mini OT at emergency department. Our intensive care unit is exclusive specialized facility dedicated to patients who require intensive monitoring, nursing care and complex respiratory support. We have NICU for premature and underweight babies, pharmacy, canteen, 24/7 ambulance, X-ray room, comfortable sitting for patients' attendants and many more. Our 24/7 emergency department is available to deliver their services round the clock. Murij Mangnani Hospital cares for people at every stage of life. We believe healing begins with a warm attitude.
Core values of our hospitals is to treat the patient with warmth, dedication, lot of passion and reduce their pain just to heal them. And this hospital is providing good facilities for especially for middle class families and the other people who have affordability issues.
We want that our community, irrespective of the religion and other caste, everybody should come forward, because a lot of poverty, common man cannot afford these medical facilities. I will request that more and more people should come forward so that such more hospital facilities are available.
See, I have been practicing in this town for 40 years. This town has given me everything. But today, what I am today, this town has given. At the age of 74, where a person needs to retire, I am still working and I want to pay back to the society what society has given me. That is the aim behind this hospital.
Message to the audience is first one which is important I want to say is trust us, trust the doctors and trust the hospital. We will be doing our best.